Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Apple. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, December 1, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.67. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.18%. This means that on average, the stock has generated a daily return of 0.29% since being identified as a buy candidate. Currently, the stock is positioned in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents an interesting opportunity for short-term traders to consider selling, as we may see a reaction that brings the stock back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $193.16, as it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the current 3-month trend, we expect a potential change of 7.37% over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within a range of -3.30% to 8.45%. Now, let's consider the 12-month trend. It suggests a significant change of 32.69% over the next 12 months, with a potential return ranging from 19.47% to 49.09%. This means that after a year, the stock price could be anywhere between $228.47 and $285.11. Our latest update on Apple reveals a stronger technical forecast for the company's stock price after Friday's trading. On the last trading day, which was Friday, December 1, 2023, the Apple stock price increased by 0.679%, going from $189.95 to $191.24. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.23%, reaching a low of $189.23 and a high of $191.56. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has been fluctuating, resulting in a 0.81% gain. The trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 40 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.64 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices could indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the price is 3.52%, or $6.98, below the 52-week high, and 16.22%, or $37.02, below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when it reached $228.26. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating, indicating high confidence in its potential. They have also rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy, further highlighting the positive outlook. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating, suggesting a more cautious approach. Let's take a look at the signals for Apple stock. Today, there are mixed signals in the stock. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by 0.110%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, the Apple stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If the stock experiences corrections downward, it will find some support at the price levels of $190.29 and $181.35. It's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign, so it's crucial to keep a close eye on the stock's performance. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator shows a sell signal. The Pivots indicator shows a sell signal 9 days ago. The Bollinger indicator shows a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average shows a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support levels, we can see that the stock of Apple has some strong ones just below its current level. These levels are marked by accumulated volume at $177.56 and $176.30. Support levels are important because they indicate a price level where the stock may find buyers and potentially bounce back. However, if a support level is broken, the stock may continue to fall to the next support level. In this case, if the support level at $177.56 is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are at $176.30 and $175.01. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in trading this stock. Apple is usually traded at a good volume, which means there is liquidity in the market. This liquidity reduces the risk of large price fluctuations. Additionally, the stock has been experiencing minor daily changes recently, indicating a lower risk environment. Looking at the stock's volatility, we can see that it has been relatively stable. In the last day, the stock moved $2.33, 1.23%, between its high and low points. This shows that the stock's price movement has been moderate. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been around 1.17%, further confirming the stock's stability. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Apple. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's share price to its per-share earnings. Apple has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is commonly observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on to the latest news, the Q4 2023 earnings report is scheduled for release on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $191.31. If you're not currently holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for the price to break through this level before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. The average rating for Apple from multiple analysts is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Catherine L. Adams sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Catherine L. Adams bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Catherine L. Adams sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Chris Kondo sold 4,806 shares of common stock. On October 15, 2023, Chris Kondo bought 10,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -22.755. Overall, insiders purchased 2,435,965 shares and sold 4,035,279 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $185.11, which represents a decrease of 3.21% from the current price. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk for investors. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 8 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe Apple stock presents a potential buying opportunity in the short term. The current trends and positive signals indicate a favorable outlook for the stock. However, it's important to note that our systems indicate the current price may be overvalued, suggesting caution in making investment decisions. Looking ahead to Monday, December 4th, we anticipate Apple's stock to open slightly lower at $190.68, with a decrease of approximately $0.565. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your target for the stock as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day.